My brother-in-law has 3 daughters. His youngest had her first baby last week, a boy. We went to visit them at his house. She had come to stay there after the birth to rest and receive some help from the family. During the pregnancy, I had a quiet feeling he would be a big baby. Her tummy had been noticeably large for the last few months. Everyone else seemed surprised by his size when he arrived. I wasn't, though I kept that to myself. He was born healthy and strong, larger than most people had been expecting. When we arrived, the house was calm and warm. My wife's niece was sitting in the living room with the baby asleep in her arms. She looked tired in the way that new mothers do, a deep tiredness that somehow sits alongside something else entirely. She also looked happy. The two things, tired and happy, were at the same time. We sat down and talked for a while. The baby slept through all of it, undisturbed. Then it was my wife's turn. She lifted him carefully and held him close. Her whole face changed. After a few minutes, she passed him to me. I stood up slowly, held him against my chest. Then I began to sway, gently, side to side. He was bigger than I thought a newborn would feel, but held close like that, he looked so small. I wasn't nervous at all. Holding him felt natural, and it made me happy. Quietly, simply happy. His eyes were closed. His breathing was slow and even, barely there. After a few minutes, he settled even more deeply. His whole weight relaxed into my arms. I kept swaying. I didn't want to put him down. My wife was watching us from across the room. She said quietly, "He likes you." I don't know if that's true. Newborns don't know much about liking yet, but I liked him. We stayed a little longer, then said our goodbyes and headed home. The house was quiet when we got back. The evening felt slower somehow, softer than when we'd left. I kept thinking about how big he was and how small he looked. New things are often like that, larger than you expected, and yet somehow smaller than you imagined, all at the same time. I hope the little big guy grows up happy, healthy, and strong.